Today, we're going to show you how to clean your own hearing aid at your home. We recommend you do this monthly for optimal performance of your hearing devices.
Here are some of the supplies that you'll need to clean your hearing aids: a toothbrush or some type of cleaning tool, wax filters which should have been issued by your hearing care professional, domes, and a charger or a battery. The cleaning tool or toothbrush allows you to clean debris away from the microphones. The microphones pick up sound in your environment. If debris is blocking the microphones, the sound will be muted or weak. Gently brush around the microphone ports to remove any debris located around the microphone openings. Wax filters keep debris or wax out of the speaker of the hearing aid. Each hearing aid manufacturer has their own wax filter system. However, they all have the same concept. On the wax guard, one end removes the current wax guard out of the speaker. The other end replaces a new wax filter in the speaker once the current one is removed. The dome is a rubber tip or an earbud that's placed over the wax guard area of the speaker. To replace these domes, simply grip and rip to remove the current dome and slide a new dome over the hearing aid receiver. Your hearing aid provider should supply you with these domes, as there are a ton of different sizes and configurations based on your ear canal size and degree of hearing loss.
Call Colorado Ear Care at 303-233-3142 to schedule your hearing aid cleaning today.